salmon sperm injected into my face.
PDRN, aka salmon sperm DNA.
PDRN. Salmon sperm into the face.
Salmon sperm.
So is PDRN.
PDRN.
Had my salmon sperm facial.
Salmon sperm DNA.
Salmon DNA.
Salmon sperm DNA.
Salmon sperm DNA.
PDRN facial.
PDRN is one of the most trending skincare ingredient in 2026. We have heard celebrities like Kim Kardashian, Jennifer Aniston swear by the PDRN facial, and this ingredient has been trending all over social media. We have heard so much hype about it, but today we're going to break down why Korean estheticians swear by this ingredient.
Yeah, so we're going to be talking about these two products, which is the Retino Mela Serum and the PDRN cream. So really excited.
Okay, hello everyone, welcome to the BB series Beauty Unfiltered. I'm Toyna.
And I'm Eva, and we are so glad that you're here with us today.
So let's dive into it. Today we are going to talk specifically about the Reju-All brand, the Mela Serum, and the PDRN cream.
So you talked about like how Kim Kardashian and Jennifer, they got this PDRN procedures, facials done. So like, what's your take on that? And yeah, would you like to share something?
So PDRN is a treatment where they inject this salmon sperm into your face. So it's quite a painful treatment. And this ingredient has been in clinics and salons for so many years, and Korean estheticians swear by this ingredient because it's so effective to regenerate your skin, and it's really good for just maintaining skin barrier. However, in the skincare, in the home use space, I think this PDRN ingredient started gaining traction since last year, and 2026, it's each and every brand has a PDRN. So it's a must-have product for every brand.
Do you have like a PDRN in your routine?
Oh yes, I'm currently using the PDRN cream and the Reju-All serum. I've also tried VT PDRN. The Reju-All PDRN, this is derived from salmon sperm.
Right.
The VT PDRN, it's a vegan. It's derived from ginseng extract.
Oh, I love ginseng.
When it comes to picking the PDRN ingredient for your skin type, you always have to look at the concentration. So this Reju-All PDRN, it has 1,200 ppm of PDRN, which is like 99% pure salmon sperm, which is almost like going to a salon for a treatment.
Right.
It's very lightweight, hydrating, and it's really good for my skin because I have oily skin, but it doesn't clog my pores. It's also important to look at the supporting ingredients, and this has collagen, hyaluronate, and niacinamide. So niacinamide is for brightening, for pigmentation, and overall PDRN is really good for maintaining skin barrier. It's known to regenerate your skin. So it's supposed to be a very high performance, multifunctional ingredient.
So anyone with damaged skin barrier, redness, sensitivity, anyone looking to heal your skin, struggling with dull dehydrated skin, this one is for you.
And you know, like if anyone has done any laser treatments and they have redness, if you apply this PDRN cream, it can really soothe the skin overnight. And however, any good skincare tip, it's really important to use any product to see results, good results. You have to use the products for at least 4 weeks. Because that's the time when our skin regenerates. So our skin takes 28 days to regenerate. It's called the skin cell turnover. So it's very important that you are consistent, and because these are very gentle, barrier repairing. So it takes time to see results, but you have to be patient about it and be consistent.
That's something I learned along the way, because for me also, you know, suppose I was using this product. So I'll just use for a week, and then if it breaks my skin out, I'll be like, oh, maybe this is not for me. So I never was consistent with my routine, but now that's something that I've learned along the way. So it's very important to stay consistent.
For me also, like most of the time I would try a skincare product and I would use it for a week, and if I don't see good results, I'm like, oh, this is not working. And actually, I wasn't consistent. I wasn't applying it in the morning. Maybe I applied a few times a week, and I would blame the product for not giving me results. But now I'm very consistent, so I've seen very good results with consistency. At the end of the day, it's all about consistency. No viral skincare product is going to work unless you're consistent.
So true. Now let's talk about the Retino Mela Serum, because I think a lot of people get confused about this.
For me, I love this product. I've been using it for a week, and I was traveling, you know, the past 1 week.
Why don't you share about that?
I've been traveling and I've been out a lot. You know that I have pigmentation and melasma, but using this every night, I've noticed that my dark spots and pigmentation hasn't spread. So what I love about this product is it has 10% niacinamide, 4% tranexamic acid, and it has retinol. And this retinol, it's the more stabilized version. It has this ingredient called HPR, hydroxypinacoline retinoid, which is 30 times more stable than retinol.
I feel like I'm sitting like for a science class.
Yes, you are.
You're a science teacher.
Oh, I'm a science student,
Yes. She was actually in that stream. So.
Yeah, I was in that
So
stream.
she knows a lot of terms, scientific terms.
And one good thing about this product is that it's very good for even beginners. It's very beginner friendly.
So I think I can also use it, right?
Yes. And anyone, especially even if you're in your 20s, you can definitely try this if you're struggling with pigmentation and rough skin. You want to know one fun fact about retinoids?
Why not?
Retinoids were originally developed to treat acne and acne scars, but researchers accidentally discovered that it's really good at rebuilding collagen, strengthening the skin, improving fine lines, texture, and also reversing sun damage.
Ooh.
So, a lot of people in their 20s, some people who have walked into the store, even though they were in their 20s, we have noticed all the fine lines. It's not because of aging, but because of sun damage. So if you are someone with a little bit of you're concerned about fine lines, even though you're in your early 20s or maybe early 30s, then retinol is something that you can look into it.
Wow, that's something that I didn't know about, like reversing sun damage. I think many a times for me also, I started sunscreen very late. Like I always share this. So maybe the lines that I have is also because of sun damage and not because of losing my collagen or whatever. I think one major factor is sun damage. So
now that everyone is into skincare, we can see people in their late 40s or 50s also looking so youthful,
exactly,
and graceful, like flawless, right? So I think with the right lifestyle habits, with the right skincare, and with making sure that we're reapplying our sunscreen every day, I think we can always look youthful, and we don't have to look our age. We can definitely look 10 years younger.
And it is also not only what you apply, but what you also take in, right?
Yes. For me also, I'm very conscious about what I eat. I think because I always struggled with really bad skin, I tried to eat healthy, and in the process, it became a lifestyle.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
What
it's very
about you?
important. Yeah, for me also. I mean, like, I still go out. I do like cafe hoppings. I like to try new foods, coffee. I love coffee. I think you
same.
also love tea and
I'm
coffee.
a coffee addict. Another thing about retinol that you have to know is that, if you're using retinol for the first time, you might experience redness or purging, but that's absolutely normal. It takes time for your skin to adapt and become tolerant to the retinol. But after months of use, you're going to see good results.
Yeah. So maybe tolerance first and then glow later,
Yes,
right?
always.
So which one to use and when to use, how to use?
So this PDRN cream, it's a skin barrier repairing cream. So you can use it both for your AM and PM. Anyone can use, even people with sensitive skin. It's going to regenerate your skin and it's going to strengthen your skin barrier. However, with the Retino Mela serum, because this is a very active ingredient, it has, like I said, it has niacinamide 10% and it has tranexamic acid 4% plus retinol. It's really good for dark spots and controlling pigmentation and melasma if you have skin like mine. However, this is only for night use. While you can use it during the day, if you're not consistent with your sunscreen application, it's going to darken your skin. Because I think we have had a lot of people walk into our store and complain about their skin darkening. And when we try to analyze their skincare routine, it will always be like, they would have used active ingredients and
not applying sunscreen.
Yeah, not being consistent with sunscreen. That's why I always recommend if it's active, because most of the clients that comes to us, they're quite careless with their sunscreen. So just avoid using actives during the day. But if you're consistent, you can use it during the, your AM also. And this is retinol. If you're pregnant, this is not pregnancy safe. The two ingredients that you need to avoid if you're pregnant is retinols and hydroquinone. Yeah.
So please don't use this if you're pregnant. So skincare isn't about doing everything at once. It's actually, giving your skin the time to respond.
And if you are starting out on your skincare journey, you don't have to do like 5 steps or 10 steps, but just incorporate one product at a time. And if you're looking for an all-in-one cream that's going to strengthen your skin barrier, regenerate your skin, the Reju-All PDRN, this is an all-in-one cream. anyone can use, even if you have oily skin like mine or you have sensitive skin, you can definitely try the PDRN cream. And if you're looking to regenerate your skin, if you target your fine lines, wrinkles, and also brighten your pigmentation, the Retino Mela serum is the one that you should go for.
So that's Beauty Unfiltered with Toina and Eva.
And see you in the next one.